Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews. Today, thanks to Albrecht Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the all-new 2023 GMC Canyon AT4X. Driven the Denali, but I think this one's a little bit more sought after than the Denali, because this is really a very, very cool truck. Look at this interior. Red seatbelts, which only the coolest cars have red seatbelts. AT4X, full bed liner. This one is still undergoing the PDI process, so as you can see, front steps, no rear steps for the time being. 59,535 current, or as tested sticker price. 2.7 liter turbo high output, made it to an 8-speed automatic. Onyx black over obsidian rush. So this is a crew cab, so pretty darn cool. Okay, so the red seatbelts are a $50 option. That's perfectly fine. Underbody cameras, Onyx black, sunroof, so nicely equipped truck. I love this. Absolutely beautiful truck. Very, very cool. So, go ahead, head on inside. I don't really use the side step because it's in between whether I need to or not. You have your different drive modes, which, as you scroll through, off-road, tow haul, terrain, Baja, normal. So that will do that. And then we can go into vehicle, power window lockout, see more controls. So all kinds of really, really cool stuff. All right, so here's all our cameras. Haha, there they are. The under vehicle camera. So if you're rock crawling, stuff like that, you can see, obviously that's the front. You can see the AC dripping, and that's the rear. So that's really, really cool. I like that a lot. But we are in drive. Let's go for a drive. Don't have a ton of gas in this, so I don't want to leave it running forever. So the V6 is gone. Now turbocharged 4 cylinders are across the lineup for the Colorado and the Canyon. Honestly, I like it a little bit better. I just had a Colorado, a 2016 Colorado I spent the night with. It was a V6, and while it's a great motor, great truck, I think the power delivery in this is just a little bit better suited for the general use that these will see. That's not to say these don't have a lot of power. It's a good amount of power. But I think just having that low down torque is a lot better with the Turbo 4. You can actually hear the turbo spool up. One thing I've always noticed is off-road specials tend to ride like a bag of bricks. That's not the case with this truck. This rides really, really well. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit of a firmer ride than your luxury sedan, but it's not bad enough where I'd be like, all right, get me out of this thing. Same thing with the tires. These are big, beefy off-road tires. These typically are extremely noisy. That's not the case with these ones. They're not that loud. Either that or the sound deadening is so good in this truck that I can't really hear it. Do have heads-up display. Obviously a forward collision warning, but it also has pedestrian detection. So whenever it sees a pedestrian, I get a little icon. So in case you're blind and can't see a person, the camera will detect it for you. Obviously, I'm not one to rely on forward collision warning, but it's nice just in case someone were to run out. It's nice to know that the truck can see them too. I love this thing. This is sweet. I'll be honest, I liked the previous gen Colorado Canyons. I don't know, I think this is a way better truck. Way better truck. Oh, nice. I have absolutely no gas now. We have a green light. We have a green light. There we go. You know, I've noticed every time I drive a brand new car, there's coatings on the exhaust and such for shipping. And they all have their own unique smells. For example, the Yukons smell like pretzels. This one smells like fluoride. It smells like when the dentist does some fluoride treatment or whatever. That's 100% what kind of like fluoride bubble gum. Or if you're a drag racing fan like myself, it smells like the ATP, the traction compound that they spray on the track. Has a ton of torque. So far, every single car I've driven today I've been impressed with, so I like this. I like this trend. Let's keep it going. No, I think GMC did an awesome job on this truck, and I'm very, very impressed. I love this thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.